Sannyasi, oh, this is the last one. Se jali vishayi, sannyasi brahmachari, sabai anande bhase, jala krida kari. Sannyasis, brahmacharis, and grihastas, householders, were all sporting in the waters of Narendra Sarovara, and everyone was floating in waves of bliss. So this is the writing of Vrindavan Das Thakur. He's writing. The Bengali is extremely beautiful, very, very beautiful. That's what this book is now available in English with the Bengali also. And the words are, actually you can give long discussions on each verse. Just like Srimad Bhagavatam, we give classes on Srimad Bhagavatam. So they give classes on Chaitanya Bhagavat the same way, Gaudiya Vaishnavas. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati wrote a tika on this book. So you can give long, long classes. Very, very beautiful book. I humbly suggest everyone to purchase this book. It's also available in Hindi. Chaitanya Bhagavat's available in Hindi in Vrindavan, or maybe here somewhere. Maybe it's just one volume, I suppose. If you buy it in English, it costs a fortune. If you buy it in Hindi, it's like 100 rupees. But it's very nice. It's a wonderful book. If you haven't read it, you're really missing something. You're really, really missing something. So I encourage everyone to purchase and read the Chaitanya Bhagavat, imbibe, absorb the instructions and the teachings, and try to emulate them and display them. And it's really a very, very enjoyable book. It's very, very light. It's called light reading. There's not heavy philosophy here or confusing tattvas or heavy things about creation. Chaitanya Charitamrita is really quite deep, very, very deep, unlimitedly deep. But Chaitanya Bhagavat, this is the preferred book for simple people, for any kind of people. So please, on this holy day of the Tirobhav Tithi of Vrindavan Das Thakur, this would be a very, very good day to purchase Chaitanya Bhagavat, or if you have the book, to open the book and begin from today, take a sankalp that, O Vrindavan Das Thakur, with your grace and the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, I will begin reading this book today until I finish it. Every day I will read something. And you'll see how much joy comes in your life, how much happiness comes in your life, how much enlightenment comes in your life by taking advantage of the merciful incarnation of Vedavyas, who appeared in this world 500 years ago.